Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how Zoey looks like and I'm going to show you how we can create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it black, combine it with this one, but you can choose only bangs and then you're going to color it black and then put on this earring, make it this color, and this shoes. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another shoes. And then for the color, you can make it like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this bracelet. This is from the Valentine update, and then you can color it like this. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update, and I'm going to choose this pant. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, this one. And then for the color, I'm going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, this is the color code for Zoey. And then for the third selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the last selection as well. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the I'm going to go to the petal update. And then we can put on this top, this one. For the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. And then for the second selection, I'm going to make it black. And for the third selection, we're going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the code. And then I'm going to move to the next area. Wait, I'm going to put on the knife first, guys. It's here. Okay, and I'm going to move to the VIP room. And from this VIP room, we're going to choose this item. Wait, this one. And then you're going to go to the pattern. And for the pattern, you're going to choose the pattern from the World Culture Update. This one for the first selection and also the second selection. Oops, for the second selection, you're going to make it black. Alright, and then I'm going to choose this item. This one. And I'm going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the potion flask, I'm going to make it this color. And for the buckle and lids, I'm going to make it this color. Okay. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!